Welcome to our roundup of the best garden gloves you can get your hands on right now. Whether you're planting flowers, trimming bushes, or tackling tough yard work, having the right pair of gloves can make all the difference. We've carefully selected top-rated garden gloves that combine comfort, durability, protection, and flexibility to keep your hands safe and your work efficient. In this video, we'll break down each glove's key features, including material quality, grip, breathability, protection level, and overall usability, so you can find the perfect pair for your gardening needs. Don't forget to check the description box below for the latest deals. Let's dive in and find the perfect garden gloves for you. The first on the list is the Cool Job 2 Pairs gloves. These gloves are an excellent entry point for gardeners who want comfort and value in one package. Right from the start, they stand out with breathable knit fabric, latex-coated grip, and lightweight, flexible design, making them ideal for everyday gardening tasks. The breathable fabric ensures your hands stay cool even during long hours under the sun, while the latex coating on the palms provides a reliable grip when handling tools or wet soil. As you start using these gloves, you'll notice how flexible and soft they feel. They don't restrict movement, which is perfect for delicate tasks like planting seeds or repotting small plants. The snug fit gives you a natural feel, almost like working with bare hands, but with added protection. Plus, having 2 pairs included means you always have a backup ready when one gets dirty or worn out. Another strong advantage is their versatility. These gloves are not just for gardening. They work great for light DIY projects, yard cleanup, and even basic household chores. The durable coating protects your hands from minor scratches and dirt, while still maintaining a comfortable feel throughout use. Overall, the Cool Job 2 Pairs gloves deliver excellent comfort, flexibility, and value, making them a great choice for beginners and casual gardeners who want reliable hand protection without spending too much. Next up is the DCC PAA gloves. If you're looking for a more rugged option that still maintains comfort, these are a solid upgrade. They feature thickened rubber coating, waterproof palm design, and enhanced durability, making them ideal for tougher gardening tasks. The rubber coating adds an extra layer of protection, especially when working with wet soil or muddy conditions. This waterproof capability is one of the standout features here. You can handle damp soil, water plants, or clean garden tools without worrying about your hands getting soaked. This makes a big difference during longer gardening sessions, as dry hands means better comfort and reduced fatigue. The thicker coating also helps protect against small cuts, abrasions, and rough surfaces. Despite their durability, these gloves still manage to offer a decent level of flexibility. You can grip tools securely, pull weeds, or carry pots without feeling restricted. The textured palm design improves grip strength, which is especially useful when handling slippery objects or heavy gardening equipment. Comfort is also well balanced in this design. The inner lining is soft enough to prevent irritation, while the outer layer provides the toughness needed for demanding tasks. These gloves strike a good balance between protection and usability, making them suitable for both casual and more serious gardeners. Overall, the DCC PAA gloves are a dependable choice for gardeners who need stronger protection and waterproof performance without sacrificing too much comfort or flexibility. Next, we have the Cool Job gardening gloves. This is another impressive option from Cool Job, but with a slightly different focus on style and functionality. These gloves come with comfortable stretch fit, non-slip coated palm, and all-purpose versatility, making them a favorite among many gardening enthusiasts. The stretchable fabric ensures a snug and comfortable fit for different-sized hands, enhancing overall usability. What makes these gloves stand out is their balance between comfort and performance. They're designed to be worn for extended periods without causing discomfort. The breathable material prevents sweating, while the coated palm ensures you maintain a secure grip on tools and plants. Whether you're digging, planting, or pruning, these gloves adapt well to various tasks. Another highlight is their stylish design. Unlike many plain gardening gloves, these come in vibrant colors and patterns, adding a touch of personality to your gardening routine. While aesthetics may not affect performance, it certainly makes the experience more enjoyable. Durability is also reliable for regular use. They can handle moderate gardening work, including soil digging and plant maintenance, without wearing out quickly. Plus, they're easy to clean and maintain, which is always a bonus for busy gardeners. Overall, the Cool Job gardening gloves are a comfortable, stylish, and versatile choice for everyday gardening, offering a great mix of flexibility, grip, and ease of use. Next, the Slammer long gloves step things up with serious protection. These gloves are designed for gardeners who deal with thorny plants, roses, or rough environments. They feature extended forearm protection, puncture-resistant material, and heavy-duty leather build, making them a powerful option for demanding tasks. The extended design protects not just your hands but also your forearms from scratches and cuts. When working with thorny bushes or sharp branches, these gloves provide a noticeable sense of security. The thick material acts as a barrier against punctures, allowing you to work confidently without worrying about injuries. This makes them especially useful for rose gardening, pruning, and heavy yard maintenance. Despite their tough construction, these gloves are surprisingly comfortable. The interior lining is soft enough to prevent irritation, while the design allows for decent flexibility. You can still grip tools, handle branches, and perform tasks effectively without feeling overly restricted. Overall, the SL Armor long gloves offer excellent protection, durability, and reliability, making them a top choice for gardeners who need serious defense against thorns and rough materials. The last one on our list is the long gardening gloves. These gloves are designed to deliver maximum protection and comfort, especially for those who regularly deal with challenging gardening conditions. They come with full arm coverage, reinforced palm protection, and flexible ergonomic fit, making them a standout option for both safety and usability. The full arm coverage is a game changer for gardeners who work with dense plants or thorny bushes. It protects your skin from scratches, insect bites, and irritations, allowing you to focus entirely on your work. The reinforced palm adds extra durability, ensuring the gloves can handle tough tasks without wearing out quickly. Comfort is another strong point. Despite their protective design, these gloves are crafted to provide a flexible and ergonomic fit. This means you can still move your hands naturally and perform tasks effectively without feeling overly restricted. They also perform well in terms of grip. The reinforced palm enhances your hold on tools and materials, reducing the risk of slipping. This improves both safety and efficiency during gardening tasks. Overall, the long gardening gloves deliver excellent full arm protection, durability, and comfort, making them an ideal choice for gardeners who prioritize safety and long-term performance. So that's it for the best garden gloves you can choose from right now. Each option offers something unique, whether it's lightweight comfort, waterproof durability, or heavy-duty protection. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay connected.